What I'm about to show you feels illegal because I'm exposing the top crypto enforcer's altcoin portfolio. And I don't even know if I can. But we're not talking about any crypto enforcer. We're talking about the top crypto enforcer in all of America, except for Donald Trump himself. Now, folks, when it comes to regulating crypto, there are two main agencies. There's the SEC and the CFTC. And today we're talking about the head of the CFTC. The CFTC regulates Bitcoin in the United States of America, also Ethereum and every crypto that's not labeled a security. We're still waiting on more clarity here. And Trump just got a new CFTC commissioner, Brian Quintins, for CFTC head. He is formerly from A16Z. This is where the crypto altcoin portfolio comes from in a second. So previously at A16Z. But before we go further, who is A16Z? Now, A16Z is basically the BlackRock of crypto. This is the #1 crypto investing firm in all of the world, not just America, everybody. And they are founded in 2009, and they are early investors in every single major project in crypto, except for Bitcoin, because I don't think Satoshi works there. But other than that, literally everything. Now, when you go to A16Z, if you don't just focus on crypto, there's almost too many companies to name here, but when you focus on crypto, there's still too many companies to name. Now, they got some of the top projects in crypto, and we're going to cover which ones. I mean, Optimism, OpenSea, Nansen, Phantom, Solana, just tons and tons and tons of very strong projects. And so if we're trying to decipher this man's altcoin portfolio, this is not the website for us to use. There's just too many that don't even have tokens. A lot of things, you know, are like Coinbase. That's a stock you can buy. I want to find microcap. I want to find altcoins for you so we can see how Trump's policy is going to shape the future and see how this new crypto enforcer, what he has deemed appropriate altcoins in the past. Now back to Quintins. Now Brian, he is a one-time commissioner with the CFTC and Andreessen Horowitz's head of policy. And I think his experience as A16Z's head of policy is going to carry over to his regime within the CFTC or vice versa, because he started at the CFTC. And so Andreessen Horowitz is largely investing in companies that are going to be given the green light by Donald Trump. And so if we see what altcoins they're investing in, maybe that tells us what's going to be bullish over the next 4 years. And we're going to break down one token from each of these 5 sectors: DeFi, L1, L2, gaming, and AI. AI is probably the hottest thing right now. But let me tell you how we can actually look at these coins in a clear, concise way. We're going to use CoinGecko. Now, when you go to categories, you can type it in the search bar, or you go to categories right here. There is a category for top Andreessen Horowitz portfolio coins. That's A16Z. It's Mark Andreessen. And when you scroll through the list, it starts at Ethereum and it goes all the way down to the micro caps with barely any type of market cap. Those are going to be dead projects that we're not going to be paying attention to. We're mostly going to be sticking in coins in the top 200. So let's get right into the 5 tokens, and let me know down below if you disagree with what I'm saying here. We're going to start with DeFi. Let me know what you think about my DeFi pick. Now, DeFi was a tough one because I'm largely bullish on Chainlink, but A16Z were not investors in Chainlink, but they were invested in a very strong project. And when you look at their holdings, it has the 7th largest market cap of all the tokens, and that is Uniswap. Now, why am I bullish on Uniswap? Uniswap just had a major upgrade. They just launched their own ETH L2, the Unichain. And so 1, it is the top DEX on Ethereum. 2, they're upgrading with the Unichain. And 3, as we have more clear instructions on trading crypto, including meme coins, Uniswap's revenue should skyrocket. That is going to be great for the Uni holders. So that's the first token we're talking about. Now let's go to L1. Deezy, you just love Cardano. You like other L1s? Yes, I like other L1s. So when we go to the list here and we start scrolling around, it's not going to be Ethereum. It's not going to be XRP. It's not going to be SWI. It's going to be Solana to me. Now, why am I bullish on Solana? What is the bullish catalyst for coin number 2? Well, to me, it's the price action. The price action is pretty bullish when you look at Solana. So Solana, you know, is trading in this range. This is the bear market here. We're looking at daily candles, and then boom, you know, Solana took off like a rocket, and we kind of have this bull flag pin. It's largely playing out that, you know, we're still kind of waiting for. So when we move this over, try to measure a breakout for Solana, I mean, you're looking at a potential $350 Solana. Well, it wasn't that long ago. It wasn't that far from $350. It was $290 less than a month ago. When you look at Solana's price right now, it is under $200. So let's get back to the charts. Let's see what kind of drawdown that we experience. Now, this was the hype of Trump mania. This was the meme coin. Everybody's buying Solana so they can buy some Trump token. And we're down over $100. So less than a month ago, Solana was trading more than $100 higher in price than it is today. One thing I would keep an eye out on, though, is going to be retesting the bottom part of this range. This was the bull flag pennant that we were stuck in. We broke out. We came down. We tested it once, tested it twice. I don't know if we're going to test it a third time. I actually don't hate accumulating Solana at this level. If you're using cold storage, don't use the bootleg products out there. Stick with the best so your portfolio is also going to be the best and the most secure out there. And we're talking about Arculus Cold Storage with their new sleek premium metal cards. They have all different types and styles, embedded, metal veneer, metal hybrid. Imagine the looks around the table when you slam down your 21-gram full metal cold storage card. Everyone's going to be in shock. Everyone's going to be in awe. And it's not just your portfolio bags. It's how you're securing it with the Arculus Cold Storage. Make ssure you use code DC20 to save you 20%. So now let's go to coin number 3, and that's going to be the L2. For L2, that one also was pretty clear to me what's going to be my favorite here. Now, there's a handful, you know, some are newer L2s. Uniswap is an L2. ApeCoin has an L2 that's newer. But let's talk about OP. I'm super bullish on OP, and this is my bullish catalyst here. OP is part of the Unistack. In fact, it is the backbone of the Unistack. And the Unistack basically just refers to the Uni chain. All of these coins use the OP, what they call SDK, Standard Development Kit, meaning they're kind of using a lot of OP's code, and that makes everything interoperable. It allows the L2s to talk to each other. And Optimism being the backbone of the OP stack, you end up getting revenue from these other chains. And so if Uni chain takes off, that's just going to be good for OP holders. And so for that, I'm most bullish on Optimism here. Also, you know, honestly, when you go to the price, we're pretty close to the psychological level of $1. You kind of zoom out, you can see kind of likes that level. Found a little bounce right there, found a little bounce right there, found a little bounce right there. Kind of likes trading around this psychological level. So to me, around $1, great entrance for Optimism. Now we got coin number 4. We're almost done. We're almost at AI. Coin number 4 is going to be gaming. And when you go to the gaming portfolio, you see some very popular projects. You see Ronin, you see Axie Infinity. It is not Axie Infinity. I'm pretty bearish on Axie Infinity in the long term. I do think it's going to pump. I just think there's going to be other gaming narratives that are going to be better than Axie Infinity. For me, the gaming token is ApeCoin. I'm a little bit biased. I do have a mutant ape, but when you see ApeCoin has their own L2 and they're kind of shifting gears lately, makes me super bullish. Now, the shift in gears refers to the co-founder taking back control of the company. They brought in a suit. It's the former Activision CEO. The suit came in and did some suit style moves, but that's not what crypto's all about. And the community definitely noticed. Also, when it comes to the gaming, they got huge upgrades with the other side meta that's within the Bored Ape ecosystem, and they have other community members creating games for this ecosystem. This one's called Bathroom Blitz, and it's going to be little toy soldiers fighting in a bathroom. This was posted minutes ago, I think less than 30 minutes before 32 minutes ago. So pretty bullish. They're continuously building here, and this is the founder that took control. His name is Garga. I know, it says Greg Solano, but it just sounds too much like Solana to me. Now, ApeCoin was trading above $20. Right now, it's like under $1. I think 75 cents. Don't think it's going to go back to $20. But I do think it's going to have, definitely some bullish momentum in the future. Right now, there's still staking rewards for people holding a Bored Ape, people holding a mutant ape. A lot of those staking rewards are about to be reduced. There's going to be less selling pressure, so keep an eye out for ApeCoin. That's largely going to be contingent on gaming and NFTs making a comeback. And now we got the final coin that's going to be AI. And what's my AI play? Well, I got a bad one and I got a good one. Now, the A16Z coin I wouldn't touch with the 10-foot pole. It is an AI coin. That is WorldCoin. To me, there's a lot of baggage around this token. This is a Sam Altman's token here, rebranded to WorldCoin. That's the one where they want to scan your eyeball. And you're just seeing them in the news with, allegations of whistleblowers, being found in apartments, and just, I don't even want to go there, folks. So there's no way I would touch WorldCoin, although I wouldn't bet against Sam Altman, so I was probably going to do bullish, but I still wouldn't want to touch that. And if you're like me, you don't want to touch that one either. So I would actually go to a dubious speculation play. It's an L1. It's near protocol. A lot of people call this the AIL1. Now, when you zoom out, this is also one that was trading around $20. Trading above $1, so it's doing better than ApeCoin, but it is still way down. It's under $4, and it was trading at $8 just in December. So we're not talking about that long ago. Right now I'm feeling kind of bullish on Near, and they got something huge with their AI push. You know, as AI got a lot more popular, Near just kind of pivoted and wanted to be known as the AI L1. So I am super bullish on AI in the long term. So I'm pretty bullish on Near as well. So those are the 5 tokens. Let's front run what the government is going to do. Let's front run the CFTC rules. And that's why I'm making this video for you right now. So hopefully also you and the coins that Trump gives the green light at the top.